Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Prime Day October. That means huge savings on tech, home goods, and pretty much anything you can think of. From headphones to coffee makers, we're diving deep into the best deals you don't want to miss. We're talking about 6 killer products that you should definitely check out. Stay tuned because we're breaking down the specs, the features, and everything else you need to know to make the most of this Prime Day. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about coffee. The Cur K Compact is here to make your life easier, especially with a Prime Day discount. It's compact enough to fit on even the smallest kitchen counter, dorm room, or office desk, and it brews a fresh cup of coffee in under a minute. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, choose your brew size, and boom, you're good to go. No messy grinds, no complicated setups. Don't forget to check out the Prime Day deal on this one. It's a steal for a limited time. Next up, we're tackling messes with the Bissell Little Green. This little beast is a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner that packs a serious punch. Whether you've got pets, kids, or you're just prone to the occasional spill, the Little Green is here to save the day. You just fill it up with water and cleaning formula, and you're ready to tackle stains on carpets, rugs, upholstery, car interiors, you name it. The powerful suction and specialized brush roll work together to lift away dirt and grime, leaving your surfaces looking fresh and clean. The Bissell Little Green has tons of positive reviews online from happy customers who've experienced its cleaning power firsthand. This Prime Day, you can snag the Little Green at a discounted price, so it's the perfect time to upgrade your cleaning routine. All right, let's talk about staying powered up on the move. The iWALK portable charger is a game changer, especially for us iPhone 15 users. This sleek and compact power bank is specifically designed with a built-in USB-C connector, so you can say goodbye to carrying around extra cables. It's incredibly slim and lightweight, easily slipping into your pocket or bag without adding any bulk. But don't let its small size fool you. This thing packs enough juice to give your iPhone a full charge and then some. It's all about convenience and portability, making it the perfect companion for travel, commuting, or just those long days when you need an extra power boost. And the best part? It's on sale for Prime Day, making it even more affordable to stay charged wherever you go. Now let's talk audio. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are some of the most popular wireless earbuds on the market, and for good reason. They offer incredible sound quality, a comfortable fit, and seamless integration with Apple devices. But what really makes the AirPods Pro 2 stand out is their active noise cancellation. It's like magic, silencing the world around you so you can focus on your music, podcasts, or calls without distractions. And speaking of calls, the AirPods Pro 2 also feature a transparency mode that lets you tune back into your surroundings when you need to. Prime Day is the perfect time to finally grab a pair of AirPods Pro 2, especially if you've been eyeing them for a while. Next up, let's talk wearables. The Apple Watch SE is a fantastic option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the smartwatch world without breaking the bank. It's packed with features to help you stay connected, track your fitness, and manage your day-to-day life. It looks great on any wrist, and with a variety of bands to choose from, you can easily customize it to match your style. It's also packed with features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and GPS. And for peace of mind, the Apple Watch SE comes with Apple's standard warranty and the option to add Apple Care Plus for extended coverage. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or just looking for a convenient way to stay connected, the Apple Watch SE is a great option, especially with Prime Day discounts. Last but not least, we have the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This little device is a streaming powerhouse, giving you access to all your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and more, all in one place. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to start streaming. The Fire TV Stick also comes with Alexa voice remote, so you can control your entertainment with just your voice. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to upgrade your TV's entertainment options, the Amazon Fire TV Stick is a no-brainer, especially with the Prime Day deals going on. So, there you have it, 6 must-have products from the Prime Day October sale that offer incredible value for their price. From the convenience of the Keurig K Compact to the powerful cleaning of the Bissell Little Green, these products are sure to upgrade your everyday life. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to grab these amazing products at their discounted prices before Prime Day ends. Thanks for watching!